Naka-video ka?
Oh. Hello guys, my friend. Hello guys, my friend. Hello guys, my friend.
Di ba bots lang sila?
Oh, mga bots lang sila. Hello guys, my friend.
Bog-bog na naman.
Ba't ka naman? Pinatay.
Pinatay mo ako din eh. Papatayan.
Pinatay mo ako ah!
Yung mga bots.
Kasama namin yung mga bots.
Hindi mo sa kanila mga bots sila.
Subogo.
Yung bog-bog na ay bots lang sila. So, ibig sabihin, hindi talaga sila tao.
Kasi iba yung mga pangalan nila eh. Puro weird, di ba? Weird yung pangalan nila.
Focus to sa TikTok namin.
Yung may scary sound. Yung nakasulat why is I thought this is a normal game with my friend. We are having so much fun but we look on the leaderboard. We are just two. But there is a there is bots in here. Tapos yung nakasulat
Headshot ng isa.
Hello translation. Hello translation. Hello mga Tiffany. Hello Tiffany. Hello Tiffany. Chat.
Sabi ko na yung
Joke. I thought this is a normal person game.
Huwag ka na maglito.
Hello mga puwan. Hello Jennifer. Hello Kulangot. Hello Tae. Hello translation. Sabihin. I thought this is a normal kids game with my friend. I thought this is a normal kids game with my friend. But this is not a normal kids game. Look like a normal, right? There's so many. I thought this is a normal kids game. I thought this is a normal kids game. Tapos, sabihin mo. Wala. Tapos, ayun o. I thought this is
Dito ba sa 20 pesos na bigas na pinita ng Pangulo at pinita ng
Okay. Sound dari
may pamamaraan para
I thought this is a normal kids game. But there is some real person in here. But look at their names. It's really broken. They are bots in this game.
sabihin ng mga players pero dito
Tago muna tayo, tago. tayo dito. Para hindi tayo makita.
Pero,
Mag-leap ka. Hindi ka mag-leap. Nagtatago lang.
maraming subsido.
I thought this is a full of people, but is that a bot? Look at their name. It's really not understanding. Me and my cousin is playing like this. This follow the phone. Yes!
Para masabi mo,
Me and my cousin is playing Roblox game. Headshot game. What's that? Danduy duy, danduy duy, danduy duy.
Pilipino, pabili ang alay,
I'm scared. Hello, my friend. Na-post mo na? Ha? Na-post mo na? Oo, pinost ko na. Hindi nakasulat. Sabi ko, I thought but there's what? Ba't ka ibang server ka, ang server ka, hanap sila, ang server ka, oh! Ibang server ka dyan. So, ibig sabihin, that is all bots, pati din si Shaban. Ako. Naiiyak ako. Ano yung nakasulat? So guys, mag-talk muna tayo. Private server. Magpapatay ka muna. Magpunta ka sa may lobby. Punta ka sa lobby. Magto-talk about it muna kami. Ikakat ko muna tong video na to. Maybe speed up nyo para mabilis yung talk namin. So, hindi naman pala to normal kids game. Puro bots lang to, guys. Puro bots. Matakot! Oo nga, no. Oo nga. Tapos, pero mag-isa lang ka. Tayo, diba? Oo nga. Mag-isa ka lang. Akala mo madaming tao? Oo, magpa-join ko. Mag-isa dyan. Akala mo hindi pa sila nakakakuha ng point? Oo. Nakatatakot, guys. So, i-end ko muna tong video. Magtutok muna kami. So, i-end ko muna yung video.